LogLogic talks about a thing called LMI, which is Log Management and Intelligence. What's that? Okay, so let's start with this real simple. So this is a good way of looking at how you architect the solution. So you have log sources, and log sources can be something like an application or a database, or it could be a firewall, or it could be something like a credit card machine. You can imagine kiosks, anything. So basically anything IT buys could be a log source. And what we do is basically say, all right, the first thing you want to do is to be able to collect the logs. And our logs are trace, it's information about what's happened to that asset. And the idea of this is for forensics or for compliance reasons, you really want to know this. So what we see is this is log management. And log management then enables you to ingest it and store it in such a way as you can then use it properly. So you have LM, and then I, which is really the intelligence piece. You go, okay, so let's bolt a SEM on the back of it, which is a secure event management solution. And the idea of that is to say, from rules, can I figure out whether there's things like intrusion detection, what's happening, but it's very real time. Or for instance, I might want to bolt on the back of a PCI or compliance suite that says, you know, I can tell my QSA that all the credit card transactions I've done in my business are actually secure, I've got immutability in my logs, and you're off to the races. Or for instance, you can actually have a database security management solution that says, you know, I understand what's happening inside my database, I can figure out patch management. So the idea is that you have log management where you collect everything, you store it into a large repository, and then the intelligence on top of it is really layering a way of being able to look at it through a facet. So again, it doesn't really matter, you know, whether you're a QSA, whether you're a CISO, whether you're in IT, whether you're an app developer. You have a 360 viewpoint, 360 view of really what's happening across your enterprise, which, by the way, can be geographic, obviously. So, if you're serious about what happens with the enterprise, you've got a distributed environment, you want immutability of the logs, you're looking for forensics, maybe even doing things like IT outsourcing and trying to understand what it is. By the way, one interesting thing is, from the intelligence side, we actually had a web service API that allows you to build your own intelligence layer to use us as a centralized repository for all of the pure source of what's really happening inside of your enterprise. Thank you.